Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'll be joining you in this class, genetics. I'm doing this mostly because I want to go to PA school. Right now, during this whole pandemic, it's better just to get some classes at least done, even if it's online. I've taken a couple online classes in the past. I'll be honest, I prefer them in person, but it can be pretty convenient to get some credits out of the way, even if it is online. That being said, I do have hobbies I like to do in my spare time. I like to obviously hang out with friends. I'm a big board game fanatic. Right now, I actually have King of Tokyo with me. It's a fun tabletop game where it's kind of like King of the Hill with dice. It's a really fun. If you definitely like board games, I suggest you give it a look. Other than that, I'm hoping to get just a basic understanding of genetics out of this class. I already read some of the chapters, and I'm enjoying the readings, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from you all. Um, Other than that, like I said, I've done some online classes, but I don't think I've done anything as in depth as like genetics. My other ones have been very general, like general biology and things like that. So there might be some hiccups I may have, and if I post pretty late, like at night, it's because I work the night shift. I work the night shift at a level one trauma center in an ER. I'm an ER tech. I'm really liking that experience too. I get to see so many different people, so many different pathologies. And what's nice about genetics is a lot of these pathologies can have a genetic component to it. But I'm just giving you a warning that if you see a post at 3 a.m., that's probably why. It's because I'm usually up pretty late and my schedule varies heavily. Other than that, I also like to volunteer. Unfortunately, I can't volunteer recently just because of this pandemic. I have been volunteering over at the Museum of Science and Industry. And for those who don't know, it's a pretty big museum over in Chicago, Illinois. I live right outside of Chicago. And what I do over there is I like to teach little kids and even pre nursing and even pre PA. I had a pre PA person come over, teach them a little bit about human biology, especially like anatomy and physiology. We have many what we call plastinids, which are like a mixture of epoxy resin and an actual human body, and it's mixed together to create a lifelike structure of the human body. Other than that, I'm really just enjoying the summer, staying indoors a lot, unfortunately, really just going out for work. Um, but I'm really looking forward to hearing from you all. I'm sure that we all have different like roads of life that I'm happy to read about and to see about. So I'll see you guys out there. Thank you very much.